Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X95, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, let's open up our settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and then Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will bring up a list of things that the process removes. So there we go. Now the more important ones will be things like music, photos, and user data. If you have any of this types of files that you want to preserve, well, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made a copy or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed further by selecting Erase All Data. Do that once more, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now on this device, it will probably take it several minutes to finish up, so just prepare for it. If your battery was maybe low a little bit, you can plug it in for charging. But anyway, you will just let it run through. And once the process is finished, you should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.